Hello book folding friends, Elizabeth Gale here. Today we're making a circle of hearts from book paper. This is a fun and easy project that you can make for Valentine's Day or for any other day that you want to share the love. So let's get started. For this project you'll need three things: a book, some scissors, and a pencil. That's it. And we need to cut one page out of this book, so let's go ahead and do that. And I marked a page earlier that I want to use because I want to be sure and use one that has a lot of text on the front and on the back so that it will show up on the circle of hearts. I'm going to turn the book like that and just press the spine open a little bit. Give yourself a little more space. And then we're going to start cutting at the bottom of the page, about a ½ inch back from the spine, and we're going to work up to the top of the page. Just make little cuts. And it's okay if it's jagged. We're going to smooth that out in a minute. All the way to the top. Like that. And it's got this jagged edge. I'm going to even that out, and I'm going to follow the line of the text right here as my guide, because we need this paper to be straight. Cut along that edge of text, just like that. We need the paper to be square instead of rectangular like this. So to make it square, place it down on the table, and we're going to fold this top right corner of the page across over to this opposite edge. Just get it lined up there until it makes a point. And crease it like that. I'm using my fingernail, get a nice sharp crease. And then this part of the page is extra. We're going to cut that off right along that line that we folded down of that edge of the paper. Okay, let's put the scissors down, and we're going to set the paper down like this with the point of the triangle facing away from you, and bring this corner over, and we're going to fold it in half. And hold this point so it won't slip. Help you make a nice crease like that. And then turn it so that the point is towards you. We're going to fold it in half again. Bring it over. It's getting pretty thick, so just work with it. Use your fingernail to crease it. Like that. Next, we're going to bring this point over to this opposite edge. So just work the paper. And it's getting pretty thick, so just push it down. And I'm going to use the handle of my scissors to smooth it out there. So it is getting thick. Like that. And you can see we've got now an extra little flap right there, and we're going to trim that off. So just make sure it's nice and creased, and cut right there, like that. So put it back down on the table, and we're going to flip it over like that, so that the point is now facing towards you. And this is where we're going to draw our heart shape on. So just come in here and make a little arch shape across the top like that. And then imagine how the heart would come down, and just continue that on right here. And you can see pencil marks I've made there. And now we're going to make the inside of the heart. Just come into that edge again. Make a little arch. And you can see, got a little heart shape there. And this part you're going to cut off. And this part we'll cut off. And the tip also will cut off. Okay, so let's remove the part that has the pencil squiggles on it. I'm going to start cutting right on that line at the bottom of the heart, right there. And then come on up around on the curve. And it's going to be really thick, so just take little cuts and turn it as you go. And we're going to cut out the inside of the heart right there. Just make little cuts. And here's what you'll have after you finish cutting. And here comes the fun part. Just carefully start opening up the hearts. That. Unfolding. And there you go. And you'll have your finished circle of hearts. And you can see that the negative space inside here makes a star shape. So you kind of get two designs in one. You've got your star in the center and the hearts around the outside. Now the paper will be a little uneven from folding it up. So if you want to smooth it out and flatten it, just put a couple of books on it overnight. That's what I did to make this one nice and flat. Or you could just leave it ruffled like that if you prefer. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to hit the like button and give me a thumbs up. That really helps me out a lot. I hope you'll grab a book and some scissors and have fun making your own circle of hearts. God bless you, and thanks for watching.